Hey Diego, you have some good material here. I would say you have a good start, is what it looks like to me. I think you're going to need more material, but I just want to start by going back to the prompt real quick. Remember that your research question for this essay is, how does practicing forgiveness increase happiness or make us more happy? And I see a beginning of an answer, or a beginning of some answers in this first little paragraph. I think the answer, let's see, truly healthy. People who hold, okay, so I think it's here. People who hold grudges create this dark energy around them, which leads to a shorter and less happy life. So I think your answer here is that, I think what you want to argue here is something along the lines of that release or forgiving decreases stress, right? Or relieves a kind of weight on our shoulders, which enhances our mental health or something like that, right? Maybe the idea here is that forgiveness enhances mental and physical health. Maybe that's the idea. Down here, I saw the beginning of an answer. Forgiveness is on the enables them to become more happier, leaving any grudges. Well, okay. I think it's here. Most tend to forgive after passing of time. So the answer here could be, for practicing forgiveness allows us to move ahead in our lives, right? That could be the answer. And then down here, this to me looks like a definition. So this to me looks like background information that you would use in your introduction. This too looks like kind of introductory, kind of background information. And this one here, this little sentence here kind of also indicates the beginning of an answer. Practicing forgiveness brings people closer together. So I'm going to pause and try to articulate what I just said in a thesis. All right, so here's what I came up with as a thesis, a draft thesis for you. Practicing forgiveness, enhances our mental and physical health. So that could be like paragraph 1. 2, allows us to move ahead in life with a clear head. And 3, improves our social life by connecting us more securely to one another. So that's a possible plan for you. 3 body paragraphs. You need more source material though. So you'd be looking, so when you go back and look for more source material, if you want to use this thesis, you would be looking for additional quotes that back up this idea, additional quotes that back up this idea, and additional quotes that back up this idea.